Hey everyone! Today we're going to do something cool. How to make your G-Shock, like this GM-2100H I have here, look more tactical in just a few seconds. Look, it's already very stylish on its own, with its classic metal farmhouse oak design. The metal bezel has an incredible texture and is super durable. But today, we're going to upgrade it from a city gentleman to a battle-hardened tough guy. My secret weapon is this, a bulletproof nylon tactical watch strap. I'll quickly swap them onto the watch face today. Can you guess how long it will take me to change one strap? Feel free to leave your answer in the comments. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's get to know our main subject for today. First of all, why this particular GM-2100H? It's not just any ordinary G-Shock. It's a metal upgrade of the popular farmhouse oak model, featuring a full stainless steel body with ion plating, giving it a robust and high-quality feel. Of course, it has all the signature features of a G-Shock: 200-meter water resistance, shock resistance, world time, and more. It is, in itself, a reliable tool watch. Therefore, today we are not transforming a weakling, but rather equipping a tough guy with more professional tactical gear. So what exactly is a tactical watch strap? Look at the one on my wrist. It is made of high-strength nylon weave, the biggest advantages of which are extreme durability, lightweight, and quick drying, making it perfectly suitable for outdoor activities or dealing with everyday sweating. The most important part is here. Do you see the spring bar? That's the core of the quick-release system. No tools are needed. You can do it with your bare hands. Okay, it's teaching time. I'll demonstrate the installation of the first one completely, which is this olive green one. Watch carefully. The timer starts now. First, locate the quick-release lever on the back of the watch lug with your bare hands. Press it firmly, and the watch strap will detach with a snap. Super easy. Next, take our nylon quick-release watch strap and align the spring bar with the hole in the watch lug. With a firm press of my finger, it clicked into place and locked securely. Done! How was that? Wasn't that super fast? I bet it only took about 3 seconds. Did you guys guess correctly in the comments section? See, doesn't this give a completely different feeling? Hardcore, lightweight, and always ready for action. However, there is more than one tactical style, so we have prepared multiple watch straps. I switched to this black and green color scheme, which has low visibility and is designed for camouflage in the jungle. Second option, brown, a classic desert storm color, giving it a strong outdoor feel. Finally, this black and red color combination, with its high contrast, is very eye-catching and instantly conveys a sense of speed and excitement. Look, with just a few quick-release nylon straps, you get 4 tactical watches with completely different styles. Unbeatable value for money. So, friends, making your G-Shock GM-2100H more tactical is actually that simple. A quick-release nylon strap is all it takes to give you a whole new wearing experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to let me know in the comments which color combination you liked best.